SilkAir Singapore Private Limited, operating as SilkAir, was a Singaporean airline with its head office in Changi in Singapore. It was a wholly owned subsidiary of Singapore Airlines and in 2017 operated scheduled passenger service from Singapore to 54 cities in Southeast Asia, the Indian subcontinent, East Asia, and Northern Australia. As the regional wing of Singapore Airlines, it served the short to medium haul destinations in the Singapore Airlines Group network. By the end of 2021, SilkAir ceased operations with all flights transferred to its parent company Singapore Airlines or its low-cost affiliate Scoot. Let's talk about it. The airline had its roots as a regional air charter company as Tradewings Charters formed in 1975, serving leisure destinations using planes predominantly leased from parent airline Singapore Airlines. Scheduled services were introduced as Tradewinds Airlines on the 21st of February 1989, when it leased McDonnell Douglas MD-87 airplanes for service to 5 destinations: Pattaya, Phuket, Hat Yai, and Kuntan from Singapore's Changi Airport, and Tioman from Singapore's Seletar Airport. As the carrier matured, regional business destinations such as Jakarta, Phnom Penh, and Yangon were added to its network, thereby broadening the airline's appeal beyond the holidaymaker to include the business traveler. A major marketing overhaul was started in 1991, culminating on the 1st of April 1992 by giving the airline its present name and logo as a new corporate identity. The rebranded airline utilized up to 6 of the new Boeing 747-300s introduced just a year earlier. The mid-1990s saw 2 Airbus A310-200 aircraft in use and the expansion of services to India as well as mainland China. It was the first Asian carrier to offer handheld portable video on-demand in-flight entertainment in the form of the DigiPlayer 5500, available on flights to selected countries. On the 10th of April 2015, SilkAir launched a new collection of uniforms, the 4th uniform change in over 26 years. There are 2 variations of the uniform, aqua blue for junior crew and a plum red version for senior crew. Both variants are accompanied by a dark blue skirt. For the year ending 31st of March 2015, the airline flew over 3.5 million passengers and made an operating profit of over 40.8 million Singaporean dollars or Singapore dollars. SilkAir announced the appointment of Mr. Fo Chai Wu as Chief Executive as of May 2016, succeeding Mr. Leslie Ting. On the 29th of October 2017, SilkAir took over Scoot services to Yangon. With the transfer, the airline boosted its Yangon operations to 15 non-stop services a week. On the 30th of October 2017, SilkAir launched its inaugural flight to Hiroshima, marking the first Japanese destination that SilkAir has added to its network. On the 22nd of November 2018, SilkAir announced plans to transfer 17 routes to Scoot, including Luang Prabang, Chiang Mai, Kota Kinabalu, Yogyakarta, and Wuhan over the months of April 2019 to July 2020. Ahead of its merger with Singapore Airlines in the late 2020 or early 2021. By the end of 2021, SilkAir had ceased operations and gradually finished integration into its parent company Singapore Airlines, ending its operations. Through the years, SilkAir operated these types of aircraft: 1 MD-87 aircraft, 2 A310-200 aircraft, 8 A319-100 aircraft, 19 A320-200 aircraft, 6 737-300 aircraft, 17 737-800 aircraft, 6 737 MAX 8 aircraft, and 2 F-Hawker 70 aircraft. And that's all. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.